What if your brain wasn't one thing, but 5 eras unfolding across your life? Today, I'm counting down the 5 brain epochs, from newborn spark to late life wisdom, and how to thrive in each one. 1. The spark epoch, birth to age. 2. Imagine building a city overnight. That's your infant brain, forming up to 1 million new connections per second. Sensory input is the blueprint: voices, faces, texture, rhythm. I like to think of it as nutrition plus narration. Feed the body and talk to the brain. Sing, mirror faces, label everything. Blue cup, warm water, your toes. Sleep is not downtime, it's wiring time. 1. The sculpting epoch. Ages 3 to 12. Now the city reorganizes. Paths you use get paved, the rest get pruned. This is where curiosity becomes infrastructure. Kids don't need answers as much as they need questions. What do you notice? What would happen if? Play that stretches attention. Blocks books, bugs beats, trains working memory and self-control. Healthy stress in short bursts, useful. Chronic stress, costly. Protect sleep, movement, and friendship. They're the triad that keeps pruning efficient. 1. The remix epoch, teen years. Welcome to the brain's renovation zone. The reward system gets turbocharged before the control room is fully calibrated. Translation: feelings get loud, and so does novelty. Risk isn't the enemy, aimless risk is. I channel this with structured firsts. First job, first road trip plan, first real project with stakes. You get dopamine for discovery and scaffolding for judgment. Teach pause, predict, proceed. A 2-second pause can change a decade. 1. The mastery epoch, 20s to 40s. Now the brain optimizes. Speed peaks in some areas, strategies deepen in others. You're not just collecting facts, you're compressing patterns. To grow, alternate sprints and synthesis. Learn hard, then teach it back. Bodies train with progressive overload. Minds do too. Pick one domain to go deep, one to stay broad, and one purely for joy. Stress is a loan, recovery is repayment. Sleep, sunlight, and strength training keep attention solvent. 1. The integration epoch, 50s and beyond. Here's the twist. Some abilities decline, but others, like pattern recognition, vocabulary, emotion regulation, often improve. Wisdom isn't magic, it's compression over time, plus compassion. Mentoring turns experience into circuitry for someone else. Cognitive reserve grows from novelty. Learn an instrument, learn a language, or a new route home. Movement, community, purpose. These are neuroprotective. It's less use it or lose it, and more vary it and keep it. So across all 5 epochs, a simple formula keeps showing up. Sense widely, sleep deeply, move daily, connect often. Ask better questions than the ones you had yesterday. Your brain isn't a finished product. It's an evolving conversation between experience and biology. You can't rewind to an earlier epoch, but you can feed the one you're in. Today, pick one small lever, label your world out loud, schedule a walk, try a first, teach something, or call someone who sharpens you. Tiny choices, repeated, become architecture. Which epoch are you in? And what will you build with it? Subscribe if this sparked a reframing, and drop the habit you'll try this week. Your future brain is listening.